What's going on, everybody? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today I got another video for you. I'm actually not in my office. I'm actually remote in a hotel room right now on a trip for business, so I'm making this video remotely. I wanted to go ahead and let you know about the giveaway that I'm going to be doing, which is going to be for the entire month of February. It's going to end at the last day of February, and if you win, you get the choice of two things. Either a video game of your choice that's $60 US or cheaper that has already been released by the end of February, or two, you can get a premium Vegas plugin called Grade Color Curves. Grade Color Curves is an awesome plugin that I have personally, and you can create so much awesome things with it. You can do a ton of different corrections that should come standard in Vegas, but they don't. And I'll be releasing a tutorial on that plugin fairly soon as well. So there you have it. You can either choose a game, or you can either choose that plugin. The directions are simple. One, you have to sign up on Gleam just like all of the other giveaways have been, and you sign up using YouTube, link your email so I can email you the code if you win and you choose the game. Two, you have to comment on this video. Once you comment on the video, I can link up and verify that you actually signed up with Gleam, so it's easier to contact you if you win. And three, like the video. As an additional part of the giveaway for my scrappers and supporters, I'm going to be giving away an additional game for them specifically. They get a choice of between 5 games. I'll give them a big list and see what they want, and all my scrappers get an entry in that one. So they have the chance to win twice. If you want to learn about all the things you can do to support me, that's going to be in the description below. But other than that, follow the simple directions if you want to win. They're so easy. I get like maybe 20 people at the end of my giveaways that have a chance of winning. So your chances are like 1 in 20. It's super easy. So go ahead and enter, and I will see you guys in the next video.